So, this is Dr. Paul again, and I wanted to talk to you today about the common causes of magnesium deficiency. You always want to get to the root, right? Because then you can solve it at the root. So, talking about roots, one of the common sources of magnesium and multiple other, if not all, deficiencies would be soil depletion. Why would, if you take a look at grass and the soil underneath the grass, you got all the soil here that has all the what? Minerals. Okay, why is the soil depleted? Well, if you take a look at some of the Senate documents, basically we're not taking care of our soil, and as a result we're getting less nutrition now than we did 100 years ago when we didn't have mass agriculture. So soil depletion is one. Poor diet is another one. So I mean, if you're constantly eating hamburgers with, at fast foods places, and you don't cook at home, you're going to get more less nutritious foods, and as a result that causes magnesium deficiency. Well, that also leads, fast food and poor diet also lead to digestive diseases. And so when you have digestive diseases, that can cause malabsorption because you're destroying the gut lining. Okay, so the lining is like this, like the grass example above, a blue grass and soil. This is the lining of your small intestine on the inside tube of your gut. So you got all these little tentacles, if you will, or arms. If you start putting fast food into the mix, okay, so fast food, that causes inflammation. Okay, basically you're kind of like cutting yourself. You are. Inflammation causes you to cut yourself, injure yourself. That causes injury. So you're kind of causing this to happen. You're making those legs short stubs. Okay? Because you've cut off and injured the legs and tentacles. The food goes into these tentacles here, and this is connected to the bloodstream. So you got all the bloodstream and all the food going into the bloodstream to go to where? Every cell in your body for health. So if you're cutting off your tentacles, you have less space for absorption of those nutrients, you're going to have malabsorption. This is a big problem, folks. So now you're going to get less magnesium. So that's another source. The other ones would be medication-induced malabsorption. So medications is another big problem. There's over 100,000 deaths every year from proper medication dosing. In other words, you're medically dosed correctly and you die. Over 100,000 deaths per year. And the other one that we won't talk about today is ketogenic diets, which can actually flush out magnesium as well. So those are the common causes, and on the next video we'll show you some ways to mediate these issues. I'm Dr. Paul with Body Intelligence Center. See you soon.